women can also act as a man, even she got the power of fighting against the social crisis. Now, let's begin the wonderful life story of Sarala Devi, who was freedom fighter of our nation. Sarala Devi was born on 19th August 1904 in Narelo village near Orissa. She was an Indian independence activist, social activist, politician and writer. She was first Odia woman to join non-cooperation movement in 1921 and became first woman to be elected to Odisha Legislative Assembly on 1st April 1936. Sarala Devi played a heroic role during Independence Day. At Banki, she could know Rani Sukha Devi and was quite influenced by her sacrifice and patriotic spirit. She taught from her childhood that God has created male and female in human race without making distinction between the two. This revolutionary taught her subsequently and gave her spirit to be equal with males. During her time period, the girls were forbidden for higher studies and thus she read privately at her home and became fluent in Odia, Bengali, Hindi and English. Being an enlightened woman, she felt very much for the subaltern position of women in India in general and particularly in Odisha. Sarala Devi devoted her energy and potentiality to emancipate the women from their downtrodden position. She was mostly influenced by late Nabha Krishna Chowdhury, CM of Odisha, and met Mrs. Firda Das, wife of Sarangadhara Das, who encouraged her to come out of home and to do something for motherland. She joined in the Mahila Samaj sponsored by Srimati Lavanya Bhati Devi. This organization encouraged the women fold of Odisha to join in the freedom movement. She also participated in anti-British movement while Rabindranath Tagore created the tune of the first two lines of Vande Mataram. It was Sarala Devi who sang rest of the verses to music. She founded first women's organization in India known as Bharat Stri Mahamandal in Allahabad. The main goal of this organization is to promote and improve female education in the country, which was not only organized at the time. Sarala Devi took part in the Swadeshi movement and put forward the role that every woman should begin using Swadeshi products. After marriage, she got involved even more in political activities and helped her husband in editing the powerful nationalist Urdu weekly newspaper. When the Revolt Act was passed, she used the medium of vociferously criticism of government's stand. She was arrested by the British at Chhatrapur jail. Later she was transferred to Vellore jail, from where she was released after 6 months. Some of her publications include Nabar Sher Swapna, Banalir Pitradana and Jibaner Jihara Pata. She also wrote full songs called Satagan, literally meaning 100 songs. She wrote around 30 books and 300 essays. Sarala Devi took her last breath at the age of 82, 40 years after India's independence on 4th October 1986. So, this was the true story of late Sarala Devi. She was been an example to every woman of the world and inspired many hearts. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.